Quick question, do you actually know what Python does inside those string curly braces? When Python encounters an f-string, it parses the structure at compile time, identifying each expression inside curly braces. But evaluation happens at runtime, meaning the values reflect your program's live state at that exact moment. This is fundamentally different from old-style string templates, and it's what makes strings so dynamic and powerful. Inside those braces, you can put any valid Python expression, not just variable names. That means arithmetic like age times 2, function calls like len of name, method calls like name.upper, even conditional expressions. If Python can evaluate it as an expression, it belongs in an f-string. Once Python evaluates the expression, it converts the result to a string by calling stir, which internally invokes the object's dunderStir method. This is why custom classes display correctly in f-strings, as long as they implement dunderStir. For built-in types like integers and floats, this conversion is automatic. You can also control how output is formatted using a colon followed by a format specifier. :2f rounds a float to 2 decimal places. :greater than 10 write-aligns text in 10 characters. :08d0 pads an integer. These specifiers follow Python's format mini-language. Strings evaluate any Python expression at runtime, convert results through dunderStir, and support format specifiers. Know all 3 layers and you have mastered Python string formatting. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.